Welcome everyone. This is another Khan Academy tutorial. This one is difference of squares. We did a difference of squares intro. This one's like the next level. So that one was level 1. This is at least level 2 or 3. So let's go ahead and get started. We learned in the other video that the basic format for difference of squares is you're going to take your first term and you're square root it and you're going to put it into the first slot in both parentheses. You're going to, let me just make that 1. You're going to take your second term, take the square root of that and put it in the second slot of both those parentheses. Okay, and you're going to make one positive and one negative inside the parentheses. And that's all there is to it. So the first thing we always want to do is take the square root of both those terms. If they are in fact perfect squares, they are. 4x square root of 81 equals 9. Now we're going to plug it into our parentheses. So we have our parentheses here. We can go 4x and 4x in both those spots. Then we put 9 and 9 in both those spots, and we make one positive and one negative. It doesn't matter which one's negative or which one's positive, the first one or the second one. So just keep that in mind. So I'm gonna even show you. Let's put 4x minus 9, and then do 4x plus 9. 4x plus 9. It's the same deal. Okay, next question. Great. First one done. Okay, now look at this one. We recognize here, something's amiss. 28 is not a perfect square, and 7 is not a perfect square. X squared is, but those two numbers are not. So the first thing we're going to do here is we're actually going to look for what's called the GCF, the greatest common factor. Both 28 and negative 7x squared have a factor that is in common to both of those, and that is 7. So we're going to factor out the 7 first, and we get, sorry, it's not 28. 7 times 4 gives us 28 minus x squared. That's what's left over. Now we see that we have difference of squares. Okay, this is our first guy. This is our second guy. There it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our parentheses out. Parentheses, boom, 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 boom. Keep the 7 in the front. Okay, we're going to take the square root of 4, and that's 2, and we're going to put the 2 there and there in the first slot. Boom, boom, boom. We're going to take the square root of x squared. That's x. We're going to put that, boom, boom, boom. Little halfway point warning there. So we have x and x. And we're just going to make one positive and one negative. And that's the kind of formula. That's the procedure for difference of squares. Don't forget the 7 out in front. So 7 times the quantity. I already forgot. 2 plus x. 2 plus x. And then 2 minus x. And let's check it. All right, great. Move on to the next one. Okay, this one's not bad because we already have perfect squares in 4x squared and then 1. Those are both already perfect squares, so we can go ahead and put this in. Take the square root of 4x squared. That's equal to 2. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of x squared is x. Square root of 1 is just 1. So we're going to put the 1 there. We're going to put the 2x here and here. And again, it doesn't matter which one's positive or negative first. So let's do 2x minus 1 and then 2x plus 1. We get 2x minus 1 and then times quantity 2x plus 1. Look at that. Next question. Last one, actually. Okay, we recognize something's amiss. That's not a perfect square. Okay, we need to know if 147 is divisible by 3 because that would be the only common factor, and it is. Otherwise, this problem would not be factorable. So we're going to take out a 3. That's our GCF. There's another GCF problem. And we're left with x squared minus 49. Always rewrite it first. Don't try to do a 2 and 1, jump straight to this. I swear, everyone always messes up when they do that. Don't do that. Okay, take your time. Good things take time. So we have here x squared. We're going to put the square root there and there. We're going to put the square root of 49 there and there. 7, 7. Make one positive, one negative. 3 times x plus 7 times x minus 7. Type that in. 3 times x plus 7 times x minus 7. And that's it. 100%. Show summary. Listen to the music. There you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out some more videos if you need more help. Leave a comment if you want to see a certain topic. And thank you so much for watching.